Hey everyone, it's Luke from Weldpro. Today I'm here to do a side-by-side comparison video of the MIG200 and the MIG210 LCD. The MIG210 LCD was recently released by Weldpro. This is an advanced welder with an upgraded feature set compared to the MIG200. Today I want to walk through the menu in both of these machines and show you the adjustability advancements in the MIG210 LCD versus the MIG200. One of the important things to note is that the MIG200 is a purely synergic machine. This means adjusting the voltage and the wire speed is done with one single knob. There is a voltage offset that you can set so that it adjusts your wire feed and your voltage accordingly. The brand new MIG210 LCD has two individual knobs dedicated for voltage and wire speed. This makes adjusting your voltage and wire speed during the MIG process very seamless. The MIG210 LCD also adds the LCD color display. This display is great for seeing instantaneous readout for voltage, wire speed, amperage, and any other process information you might be doing. When in MIG mode, the MIG200 only offers an inductance adjustment as well as the ability to set the wire size and your voltage offset for the synergic adjustment. The MIG210 LCD will give you lots more adjustability. In the MIG210 LCD menu, we're able to select things like wire size, material thickness, run-in wire feed speed, including adjustment options for that, a completely adjustable spot timer, and some inductance settings. These advanced MIG features are going to give you the ability to fine-tune your welds. The MIG200 and the 210 LCD can both run an aluminum spool gun. The adjustability on the 210 LCD for the spool gun is much better than the MIG200. If you're planning on doing a lot of aluminum welding, the 210 LCD might be the right option to adjust your spool gun just the way you want. The MIG200 will come with an arc force adjustment for stick welding. Let's contrast that with the MIG210 LCD. The menu on the 210 LCD is going to allow you to select the series of electrode you're using, whether that is a 60 or a 70 series. You'll also be able to choose the rod diameter as well as the material thickness. The MIG210 LCD has the same arc force adjustment as the MIG200. However, the MIG210 LCD adds a really cool hot start feature that's going to make running stick electrodes much easier. One more thing to note when comparing features on these two machines. The MIG200 has a very simple selection menu that will allow you to switch between MIG mode, lift TIG, and stick. The MIG210 LCD gives you many more process adjustment options. You're able to select many different gas types as well as more individual settings in each welding process. If you're looking for a simple multi-process MIG welder that can get the job done, look no further than the MIG200. If you need a few more advanced features and adjustability, the MIG210 LCD is probably the right choice. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave those underneath the video. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. Take a moment to hit that like, subscribe button, and enable your notifications. Here at Weldpro, we're committed to releasing the latest content and tutorial and how-to videos to better help you hone your welding craft. From all of us here at Weldpro, we can't wait to see what you build with your brand new MIG welder.